10th class student. Chapter is triangle. Exercise 6.2. Question first. At first written the given that is figure A, B or C is a triangle D parallel BC. AD is equal to 1.5 semi and DB 3 semi. A is equal to 1 semi in adjoining figure. Triangle ABC DE parallel BC and AD is equal to 1.5 semi or DB is equal to 3 semi or AE is equal to 1 semi. To find the value of EC. We find EC. Solution. In triangle ABC DE parallel BC that is given to AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC by Thales theorem. Putting the value, AD value is 1 upon 5, BD value is 3, A is equal to 1 or EC. Multiply, cross multiply 1.5 into EC is equal to 3 into 1. तो EC is equal to 3 1 जा 3 upon 1.5. Removing the point 15 2 जा 30. तो EC is equal to 2 semi. First part, one question is complete. Second part. In adjoining figure also ABC triangle DE 1.8, A is equal to 1.8, EC is equal to 5.4 semi, और BD is equal to 7.2 semi. Same question is first part. Triangle ABC, DE parallel BC, and AE is equal to 1.8 semi and DB is equal to 7.2 और EC is equal to 5.4. To find we find the value of AD. What length of the AD? In triangle ABC, DE parallel BC. Parallel क्या? Just after AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC by Thales theorem. Putting the value, AD value is 2 find, DB is equal to 7.2 is equal to A is equal to 1.8 और EC value 5.4. AD is equal to 7.2. Make the multiply. 7.2 is diameter going the equal, तो is numerator 5.4. पॉइंट से पॉइंट रिमूव, 18 3 जा 54, 3 से 2.4, तो AD वैल्यू इज 2.4 सेमी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज कंप्लीट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 फर्स्ट पार्ट. Question number 2, given the question number 2 first part. In triangle EF और PQR is triangle PE 3.9, EQ is equal to 3 semi और PF is equal to 3.6 semi और FR is equal to 2.4 semi. Question number 2 first part given in adjoining figure in triangle PQR, P is equal to 3.9 semi and EQ is equal to 3 semi and PF is equal to 3.6 semi और FR is equal to 2.4 semi। टू फाइंड के लिए EF पैरेलल QR और नोट। टू फाइंड EF QR के पैरेलल है या नहीं है ये फाइंड करना है। तो इन ट्रायंगल PQR P upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR by Thales theorem। If both sides are equal, then EF parallel QR. If not equal, putting the value 3.9 upon 3 is equal to PF value 3.6 और FR value 2.4. Removing point both side 3 13 जा 3 10 जा 12 3 जा 12 2 जा 13 upon 10 not equal 3 upon 2। तो शो EF is not parallel QR if both sides are equal, then EF parallel QR। फर्स्ट पार्ट EF QR के पैरेलल नहीं है। सेकंड पार्ट P is equal to only changing the value, figure is same। P is equal to 4, EQ is equal to 4.5 and PF is equal to 8 semi and FR is equal to 9 semi। P is equal to 4 semi, EQ is equal to 4.4 semi 5 semi, PF is equal to 8 semi और 9 semi। फाइंड EF पैरेलल QR और नोट। सॉल्यूशन इन ट्रायंगल PQR P upon EQ is equal to PF upon RF और FR by Thales theorem। Putting the value 4 upon 4.5 is equal to 8 upon 9. Removing the point, 44 make 40, 8 5 ja 5 8 जा 45 9 जा 45. तो 8 upon 9 इक्वल 8 upon 9. तो शो या क्लियरली बोथ साइड आर इक्वल. तो ये है पैरेलल क्यू आर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का सेकंड पार्ट इज कंप्लीट. थर्ड पार्ट सेम क्वेश्चन, वैल्यू इज चेंज. PQ is equal to है 1.28 सेमी and PR is equal to है 2.56 and PE is equal to 0.18 and PF is equal to 0.37. तो PE is equal to 0.18 सेमी, PQ is equal to 1.28 सेमी and PF is equal to 0.36 सेमी और PR is equal to 2.56 सेमी. एट फर्स्ट थेल्स पर में यूज. तो EQ इज इक्वल टू PQ माइनस PE इज इक्वल टू 1.28 माइनस 0.18 इज इक्वल टू 1.1 एज PQ is equal to our 1.28, P is equal to 0.18. So then EQ is make 1.8 minus 0.18 as FR is equal to PR minus PF. PR value 2.56 minus 0.36 is equal to 2.20 सेमी. तो इन ट्रायंगल PQR थेल्स पर में व्हाट इज दी थेल्स पर में PE अपॉन EQ इज इक्वल टू PF अपॉन upper. Putting the value 0.18 upon EQ is equal to 1.10 is equal to 0.36 upon 2.20. Removing the point both sides. 2 9 जा 18, 2 5 जा 10, 2 5 जा 10, 4 9 जा 36, 4 5 जा 20 और 4 5 जा 20. 9 upon 55 is equal to 9 upon 55. Both left hand side equal, तो show EF parallel QR. Question number 2 is complete. Question number 3. Question number 3 is question figure are given in the book. Question number 3 is in figure that is figure putting the name A, M, B, C, D or N or L. Given in figure LM parallel BC and LN parallel DC. That is given to prove, not to find. This is not numerical question, geometry question. AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. We prove the proof. At first you can triangle ABC or triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, LN parallel DC. That is given triangle or parallel line. तो then Thales प्रमेय. What is the Thales प्रमेय? AL upon LC is equal to AN upon ND. By Thales theorem, as triangle ABC. ABC तो ML parallel BC, that is given in question. तो parallel तो then AL upon LC is equal to AM upon MB by Thales theorem. Both round are equal, तो शो AN upon ND equal AM upon MB, और reciprocal also equal ND upon AN is equal to MB upon AM. Adding the one in both sides. तो ND upon AN plus 1 is equal to MB upon AM plus 1. Taking the LCM both sides. First side is LCM AN, second side is AM, ND plus AN. Right hand side MB plus AM, ND plus AM make the AN plus ND is equal to AB upon AN is equal to AB upon AM, और reciprocal also are equal AM upon AB. Hence proved. ये प्रूव करना था. थैंक यू.